Hello, I welcome you to another video where we are going to tackle this mathematical question. It says the bar chart below shows the number of people who were treated for malaria, measles, and tuberculosis (TB) at an urban clinic in 1 week. So, given the frequency in the y-axis and the disease in the x-axis, how do we find those people who were treated for measles if 120 people were treated for malaria? Calculate the total number of people treated for the 3 diseases at the clinic. Now, this question, even if you haven't done statistics, is general knowledge, which I expect you to use your own common sense to find out what is happening here. The frequency tells you the number something represents, or how many times something appears. So given the data in this bar chart, if 120 people were treated for malaria, the first thing that we are going to do here is to find what each unit here represents. This is the reason why they gave us that number for malaria. Now, here's the thing. Malaria, okay, alone, they are saying the 120. Meaning, when you go in the bar for malaria, it's ending on 5. So you pick the 5. So 120 represents 5 units. We need to know what each unit represents, like what one unit represents. So what about 1 unit represents what? That is for malaria. Now, what we are going to find, it will be common for all the 3 diseases. So, meaning 5x is equal to 120 over 5 over 5 and x. I think that is 2, then 4. So, x is equal to 24 people. Meaning 1 unit represents 24 people. Now, question is here. This is the only thing that you needed to get there. It's still a question. So now, how many people were treated for measles? So you go in the bar for measles, you go across there are 2 units. So we just said 1 unit is 24, meaning 2 units is double that. Meaning what? 40. Let me read this. Meaning 48 people. That's all. Calculate the total number of people treated for the 3 diseases at the clinic. They want us to find the total. Now, there are 2 ways you can go about it. The first one is get the units for each disease. The TB unit is 3. The unit for measles is 2. And that of malaria is 5. Adding them together is 10. So that is 10 times 24, giving us what? 240 people. Or the other way is that you can already found people. You know that for malaria you have 120. For measles you have what? 48. Or what you need is to find for TB, which is 3 times 24. So you say 3 times 24. 12 remainder 1, 6, 7. So this is 72. Adding these, okay? So you say 72, 120, 48. 0 remainder 1. That is 9, 13, 14, remainder 1, 240. So either way, you are still arriving at the same answer as I did in the other one. So, if you want online classes, this is my number. I'm very much available 24/7. I have classes that I teach online. Be part of that class so that you can enjoy more than this. We don't just teach mathematics. We teach up to our E for GCEs, and for grade 12 we only end at English language. So maths, physics, chemistry, biology, English for G12. Maths, physics, chemistry, English, biology, RE. Civic, English language is there as well for GCEs. And commerce. Don't worry, you are going to be mentored the right way. Join us today and so that we can help you.